Yeah, ready? Okay. 1, 2. Come on, D! So that was the first session done. Bro, Franson, you are good, man. This guy is good. Got a question for you, bro. For now, this guy is the winner, okay? We got 2 more sessions. Do you think we can change it?
Of course, G.
What happened in the track?
It was not my day.
Mindful of fucking hell, Steven! Gas tirak. Gas chod. Gas tirak.
The brakes check is behind you first, then come to controlled stop for us, okay?
What does driver print mean?
So put your name on that side, and then next to it is the signature. Don't worry about the blue flag, that's for a race using a time session.
Yes, guys, हामी चाहिँ आज गो कार्ट आएको छ हैन केटाहरु हामी 3 जना छ so it's only me, Steven and Franson and there you go guys, it's all the go kart race हुन्छ हामी 3 जनाको बीचमा so let's see है त कसले जित्छ and I just need to go get my helmet and cameras and we'll get ready है त so yeah, let's go big man. Man's all kitted up. Nice. You ready, bro?
Yes, I'm ready, bro.
You ready?
I'm more than ready, G.
Yes. Man's all ready, man. Man's all ready to go. Boom. Yeah, do your strap. Let's go. Do your strap. Strap. This one, helmet. You know how to do it?
No.
Bro, how can you smoke me if you don't know how to do strap, bro? How can you smoke me? Now you're making excuses, yeah? So yeah, this is the kart we'll be riding today. Bro, there are so many karts, man. Yo, Steve, let's go, man. Go. I don't know what he was waiting for. Yeah! So हाम्रो चाहिँ यो 3टा सेसन हुन्छ हैन दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेसन 20 मिनेटको अनि त्यसपछि अझ 2 मोर छ है हाम्रो लागि चाहिँ सो लेट्स गो कस्तो हुन्छ अझ 2टा सेसनमा Man's on pressure. Come on. तर हात दुख्दो रहेछ यार यो स्टियरिङ लास्टै साह्रो हुँदो रहेछ What the hell, Franson? No! हेर्न यस्तो भयो न मैले 2 चोटि उ गरिसकेँ क्या यता डिस्काइसकेँ क्या टर्निङमा चाहिँ धेरै ब्रेक हान्यो भने चाहिँ लस्किन्छ है केटा हो ग्यास चाहिँ थोरै दिइराख्नु पर्ने रहेछ क्या ग्यास छोड्यो भने चाहिँ गेम ओभर रहेछ क्या यहाँ ग्यास छोडे बित्तिकै पिकअप गर्न हल्का टाइम लाग्छ क्या अनि त्यही भएर हेर्न यस्तो भयो भने बित्तिकै पिकअप गर्न टाइम लाग्यो नि त सो ब्रेक नहान्ने Yes, dear! So, तर मजा आयो सो मैले भर्खर बुझ्दैछु फर्स्ट सेसनमा किनभने के अरे ब्रेक चाहिँ नहान्ने इट्स अल अबाउट ग्यास है ग्यास कन्ट्रोल गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ मजाको हुने रहेछ सो वी कमिङ टु अ पिट स्टप त्यही उ छ त यार अगाडि आइज भनेछ दामी हो सही हो द्याट वाज द फर्स्ट सेसन डन Bro, Franson, you are good, man. This guy is good.
This guy's good. No brakes.
Yeah.
No brakes, bro. Don't use brakes. You don't use brakes.
Yeah, no, that's what I figured out. Let's go out first. Let's go out. No, I get it now. Because first I was using lots of brakes, right? And then I realized, bro, let's not try using brakes, right? And then I didn't use any brakes, and then I overtook him.
Yeah.
I caught him back. This guy. Yo, Steve, I got a question for you, bro. For now, this guy is the winner, okay? We got 2 more sessions. Do you think we can change it?
Of course, G. This
Of
guy's
course,
getting
yeah.
smoked now. We
Yeah.
understand it now. We understand
That's the
it
spirit. That's the
Now.
spirit,
We
bro.
understand it now.
Yeah.
My guy. Good job.
All the
man.
best.
Good job.
Yeah, Franson did really good like this this
brother.
lap. We got 2 more rounds, so let's see if we can change it, okay? He's the winner. He's the man for now.
Yeah.
Franson Fernandez, all the way from Goa.
All the way
Yes,
from Goa,
representing Goa. So ready for round 2 now. So this is 20 minutes as well. We're taking the same cart as before. Let's go. Let's see how we can perform this time. Is it recording? Is there a red light? Cheers, man. Thank you. What the hell? Can't be doing this. Yeah, this turn I need to improve, man. Come on, G. Come on, you got it, bro. You got it. This turn चाहिँ यसलाई पनि स्लो डाउन गरिरहेको छ so I need to be keep mindful of fucking hell, Steven. के हो यार? I'm doing too much talking now, so focus on race, man. No break. No break. Better, man. Come on. काटिसक्यो जल्दी गर या अलि धेरै छिटो ग्यास भयो क्या यसमा चाहिँ नो ग्यास काटिसकेपछि छिटो आन ग्यास दिइराख ग्यास छोड ग्यास दिइराख ग्यास छोड ठोक ठोक यस ग्यास छोड काटिसक्यो यहाँ ग्यास चाहिँदैन ठोक 1 minute left man's on first सो पहिलाको भन्दा चाहिँ यो ल्याब ठिक भयो होइन यो फ्रान्सन पो रहेछ Bro, it was fun, man. Yes. So दामी भयो यो पालि चाहिँ. So let's go out of one more. This guy is winning the race and he doesn't know how to do strap, man. What a shame.
That one in the vlog, yeah?
Huh?
Vlog video, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use it for. Wait, let me take one. Take my picture. Steve, say cheese, bro. Let's go. Final round, guys. Yeah, ready? Okay. 1, 2. I'll do. Wait. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay. Wait. Come back. Wait. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. This is so slow, bro. Yes, Steven! What the fuck? Come on, D! What the fuck? What? How the hell is he bumping me, bro? Come on. Nice. Let's go, the race is done. दामी मजा आयो Good race, bro. Good race. Yes. So that's it, guys. The race is done. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ दामी कुरा रहेछ क्या के अरे यो पेट्रोल स्टेसन टाइपको क्या पुरानो गल्फको है 3 सेन्ट एन्ड दिस इज टुडेज रिजल्ट्स बेस्ट अफ द डे 30, 28 अनि 29.96 ऊ फ्रान्सनले चाहिँ मलाई कति नियरली 30 सेकेन्डले चाहिँ जिते रहेछ वाइ I've taken my thing off. सो त्योहरू चाहिँ अब चेन्ज गर्न जाँदैछ अनि हामी चाहिँ रेस सक्यो होइन एन्ड या सो मेरो र फ्रान्सन सेकेन्ड मी एन्ड थर्ड चाहिँ स्टिभन एन्ड दिस वाज द रेस ट्र्याक है गाइज सो दामी हो दामी फन भयो जस एन्ड इट वाज बिट टायरिङ हातमा चाहिँ हल्का यस्तो साह्रो हुँदो रहेछ क्या अनि या केटाहरू चेन्ज गर्दैछ and I'll ask them how they felt and when they come back either. So yeah, it was a good experience after a long time bhanau na. So it's damn. Yo Steve bro, how was it? Your final thoughts, bro? Final thoughts.
It was alright, man.
It was
Yeah.
what happened in the track?
Today was not my day. So probably next time.
Yeah, yes.
But I
G.
understand the track now, so
That's cool.
that's a point. You know?
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, man.
Big man, how was it for you? How was it?
It's very nice, bro.
Yeah.
So next time, keep practicing.
Yeah, this man is the winner here, right here, representing Goa. I'm telling you. Yeah, he was good. So today's experience was quite good, I'll say. Yeah. First session, I took whole first session for braking and acceleration, I'll say. And second session, I wasn't using any brake. Third session, I was just learning track. And yeah, it was a good one. It was fun, man. It was fun with these guys. So we're gonna do it again as well, isn't it, Stephen?
Yeah,
yes,
next
man.
time.
Next time as well.
Next
Catch you
time, yeah.
next time.
You
Yes,
need to
cheers.
practice, man, because next time I'm coming is a bang. Come on.
Let's go.